Hello everyone, a very happy new year to all of you. With this new year, I'm starting this new episode of Random Voice Vision, in which we are going to talk about a lot of new interesting things about this industry and a lot of insights about what is happening in this industry. So in this first episode, we're going to have a look back about how this industry started and what has been the journey over the last 30 years. Way back in 1990s, this industry was very, very small and more focused on handmade furnitures, craftsmanship, carpenters, and things like that. When in 1992, the financial policies were liberalized, that's when the real shift happened in this industry, where a lot of imported machines started coming in, predominantly in those years from European market. And people started to accept these machines and started to work on these machines. And that's when the industrialization and woodworking started happening. So in that decade of 1990, mid-1990s, the panel machines were introduced in India. Panel-based furniture manufacturing started happening from that mid-1995 onwards. In those years, panel furniture were not accepted by many customers, largely because it was considered to be weak furniture and not so strong, because in India always people wanted that majboot, strong furnitures, and ply was the go-to panel in India in those years. Even today, India is largely a plywood dominated market. But slowly and gradually, as the city started growing and more apartments and dwellings started coming up, the need for panel-based furniture arose because people wanted something more economical. And that's when the shift happened from beginning of 2000, where people started accepting these panel furnitures and the industry started growing. In those years, in 2000, a lot of other machinery manufacturers from Asian countries started introducing their machines in India, so that the machines became more economical and the acceptance of those machines in the mid and lower level customers started happening. That has given a real big boost to this industry and a momentum to this industry, and where this industry started growing really, really big. In the next decade, from 2010 onwards, more and more large-scale factories started coming up, and people started setting up big factories, and the interior business started giving a very big boost to this industry, the home interior segment, because in the previous decades, home interior were done only in the upscale premium market, not in the middle class level, but the middle class started doing home interiors from 2010 onwards, and that really gave a really a big boost to this market. And now in the 2020s, we are talking about automated factories, automation, Industry 4.0, and large-scale mass manufacturing happening in this decade. And we are already witnessing this change in this industry. With the way things going, the industry is growing, and we are going to see a lot of interesting things that's going to come up in this decade. And we're going to see a very big growth in our market going forward. So we are going to see much more detailed insight about this industry in the coming episode. And with this, thank you to all of you. We will see you in the next episode. Thank you.